Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to install HyperOS on Redmi Note 8. HyperOS delivers significant performance improvements over MIUI by leveraging open-source Xiaomi Vela optimizations. It provides up to 14% faster response times, 17% faster message delivery, and 16% quicker task switching. In this video, I'll show you how to install step-by-step HyperOS in Redmi Note 8. Do not skip video, otherwise ROM will not boot up. So let's get started. First, we need to download Android Platform Tools. Platform Tool is where all the tools to interact with the Android device you have, such as Fastboot and ADB. For example, to install your APK into the devices, run it, debug it, and grep some file from it, you need to first connect your device to ADB Bridge and run all those commands on it. Now we have downloaded Android Platform Tools. Move it to the desktop and extract all the files. Now we will need to install Fastboot and ADB drivers to our PC. To install the drivers into our PC first, we need to extract it. Extraction is completed. Now open Device Manager on the PC. To open Device Manager, right-click on Windows logo and click on the Device Manager. After that, click on the Action button and select Add Legacy Hardware, then select Add Advanced and Next, Next, Next. Browse where you extract the Fastboot drivers. We'll need to download the CN firmware links given in the comment section. We'll need one more file to boot our HyperOS port by Maki. It's DFE. And the recovery by its owner, Orange Fox Recovery, is a custom recovery where you can flash the custom ROM and root your device. And last file is HyperOS port by Maki. All links is in the comment section. It's totally up to you. If you want to root your device, then flash Magisk via ADB sideload.